Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. End of the day here, so I got some clips for you. There were some people around, so I didn't record any audio. But today I was working on the 5th floor can lights, which I didn't get any video of, just because I didn't want to go back up there and disturb anyone, because people are actually working there, like a business running or whatever. So anyways, it looks pretty much the same. The wood was a little bit darker color or lighter color, I can't remember. I think it was a little bit darker. Anyways, so I worked on the can lights for a while this morning, and I had even a harder time with the wooden tiles this morning. It was very frustrating, to say the least. So anyways, after dealing with that rage, I went on to work on the occupancy sensors, the high voltage 120 volt. So there's a clip of that. I did like 5 of those. And so I got a clip of that, and then also just worked on pulling a little bit of wire down the wall above the ceiling and to the switch in the wall. So that's basically all I did today, and hopefully you guys enjoy that. This might be a really short video, and there might not be a video tomorrow. I will be flying to New York, like I said several times if you didn't know, for my best friend's memorial funeral. So that will be happening. Unfortunately I don't want to go to that, but I mean, I want to go to it, but it's unfortunate that he is no longer with us, because that was my best friend in the world. So I'm going there with a couple of my friends, if you don't know. So we're flying out, getting up like tomorrow at like 4:30 or 3:30 or something stupid like that, and then basically meeting up at 5, meeting at the airport at like, getting dropped off at like 6 or something like that, 5:30, and then flying out at 7, 5-hour flight to New York. So that's like, what is that, like noon? I don't even know. It's a 3-hour time difference. So I'll get there at 3 o'clock, and then it's like a 2-hour drive down to the memorial service, where we're staying at the hotel overnight, and then the memorial service is on Saturday at 2 p.m. So yeah, and then we'll be flying back on Sunday morning at like 8 a.m. and then minus 3 hours on the way back. So I'll get back here at like 11:30 on Sunday. So anyways, that's more than you probably wanted to know, but that's what I am doing for the weekend, and tomorrow. So it's like a whatever 3-day weekend, or yeah, 3-day weekend, I guess. So anyways, we'll see what I'm not sure what I'm doing back on Monday, if I'm back at this place in the pie building, the pie place, or I'll be back at the warehouse place, or something else. So we'll see. I guess I'll have to contact someone, or I'm not sure. So anyways, see what I'm doing here on Monday, and hopefully I'll see you then, and maybe I'll do a New York video or something. I'm not sure. I don't know if I'll have any time. I don't know if I'll have any time on Saturday after the funeral or whatever, if there's time to go do anything, but don't really want to. But I mean, I'm going to be there, so it would kind of be cool, but I don't know, it just doesn't feel right. But I kind of want to go back to Central Park during the day, because last time I was there at night. So I kind of want to check that out and just enjoy the nature a little bit, or go like on top of a high building or something like that. That's the only thing I really want to do. But anyways, that's way too much talking, and I will see you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have a great weekend, even though tomorrow's Friday. Stay safe, and I will see you back here if I don't crash in a plane accident. So anyways, that'll do it, guys. And don't forget to check out the description for all social medias and all that good stuff. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos, guys. Thanks so much for watching. God bless, and I will see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Peace out, baby. Alright, so I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm having a crochet night tonight. Gonna hang out with some friends and either teach them how or just make some stuff. And here's my last thing I made. This hat. This is an old one that I barely wear, but probably need to get to that. But I usually just wear the latest thing that I make. So I was wearing the white one for a while. That one's a year old. And then I just have the mint green one. I don't know where that one went. And then I just made this one, and then I got that one, and then I got the lime green one, my work one, dirty nasty one on my head right now. So we're gonna teach them how to just go back and forth, I guess, or make hats or whatever. So it'll be fun. So my friend's mom's in from Canada, so that'll be fun. She's my home girl, so shout out to Alice. So it'll be fun. So that's what I got going on tonight.